Hello friends, how are you all? Today we will learn how to write application for fee concession. So let's get started. To the principal ma'am, school name, school address, subject, application for fee concession. Sir, Madam. With due respect, I, your name, a student of class, your class, want to make a request for my fee concession. My father is a rickshaw driver. And mother is a homemaker. The financial condition of my home is not allowing me to continue for studies. I am very good in studies. My class teacher consider me as a bright student. I want to continue studies in this school due to its esteemed reputation. I request you to please provide the concession for my fees. I shall be grateful to you. Thanking you. Yours obediently. Name, class, roll number, date. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe the channel if you like the video.